In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP DesignJet T210 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google, just search for HP DesignJet T210 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an HP support page that says HP DesignJet T210 printer. Go ahead and open that up. And now go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And then scrolling down, you want to expand the driver section. There should be an HP DesignJet printer driver installer. Go ahead and select download for that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. Go ahead and select yes. Give that a moment here. And then you just want to follow through the on-screen prompts to finish installing your printer, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.